Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are reviewing wireless door sensor. So this is a wireless door sensor socket. Let's go ahead and show you what it looks like and how it works. So inside the box we get our little tools and screws. This is our sensor. You got two sensors, you got a long one and you got a wider one. They supply you with the double-sided tape to mount it for easy mounting, or screws for simple mounting. This would be the plug and outlet. So right here, this gets plugged into your wall outlet. So let's go ahead and demonstrate how this works. You would place this into an outlet. Let's go over here and find a better outlet for you guys. Place it into an outlet, and then a light's going to come on. And then what you're going to do is you're going to press and hold the button on the side for 5 seconds, and now it's going to blink. Make sure on the sensor you take off the back plate and you put in, it looks like it's probably 2 AAA batteries, I believe. So let's go ahead and apply that. Alright, so what you do is you plug this in, you press and hold the button underneath it, and it will blink blue. Once it blinks blue, then go ahead and put batteries in this. And once you do that, it should stop blinking blue. If it doesn't stop blinking blue, then go ahead and take your little tool that they provide you and press and hold in here like this. This is your transmitter. On your transmitter, press and hold until that stops blinking blue. If it doesn't, and you've held this for over 5-10 seconds, go ahead, pull this out, take the batteries out of your transmitter, put this back in, press and hold the button underneath for 5-6 seconds until it starts blinking blue, and then put the batteries in this and then see if it instantly connects with that. So now how this works is simple. This is together. So you have this on a door or wherever you want, and as soon as this opens, that turns off or on. It depends on how it's set up. I'll be quiet so you can hear it click. So let's say you have a closet. You could put this on your closet door, and there's an outlet with a light connected. So as soon as you open the closet door, the light turns on. It can work for many different applications. So let's test it out for you. So if I can get your attention to right on this plate. So as we have it together, so let's say this is a closet. You pull the closet door open, the light comes on, close the door, it goes off. Or, you know, for whatever you guys want to apply this for, electronics, anything and everything, that's how it works. Very simple. Just follow the manual.